Today we have to see about savanna. Or Sudan type. Savanna or Sudan type. I said that what is the meaning of savanna if I talk about? Yes? Transition zone between desert and forest. Understood? It's in a transition zone between desert and forest. And this region can have a rainfall in the range of 35 to 75 centimeter or 100 centimeter. These regions can have what? 35 to 75 centimeter rainfall. Understood? And I said that you know that in South America it is known as llanos. This is in a tropical grassland, not in a temperate. So in 35 to 75 centimeter, in 35 to 75 centimeter, tree will not be there. Yes or no? Trees will be there, but it will be very less, where the rainfall is 75. Means one, it is lying between forest of equatorial region, and then I said that deserts of what? Southern region. Yes or no? Southern part of deserts region in the northern hemisphere, and in the southern hemisphere it is in a north of, it lies north of deserts that you have seen. There is an Namib desert, another desert, and then it lies between the south of equator. Understood? Or forest. So this is the way. And in the Africa, if we'll talk about, it lies in the region where you know that I said Sudan is the country where this type of climate, this type of biome is more visible. Therefore, savanna, the whole Sudan country is having a savanna, or that we can say Sudan type of climate. If we'll go into India, that if I said that the region of, I said Punjab, Haryana, MP, and parts of Maharashtra and all, these regions are coming under which, jahan pe rainfall it is around 60 centimeter, 50 centimeter, 70 centimeter. You know that Punjab and Haryana, it is how much it is? 50, 60 centimeter rainfall. MP, western side, Madhya Bharat, Pathar, it is receiving 50 to 70 centimeter rainfall. And then Malwa Plateau, 50 to 70 centimeter rainfall. And then if you come down like in the, Maharashtra region, leeward side, Karnataka region, leeward side, all these are what is savanna kind of, I said that, climate. Savanna type of what? Climate. So India is itself in a savanna type of climate. And thereafter if you come in the, in Australia, this region is savanna. There is a what? So here it is in a deserts, and here we have in a forest. So in this region we have in a what? Savanna. So it is in a transition zone between, I said desert and forest. It is in a transition zone between desert and forest. The savanna is in a transitional zone found between the equatorial forest and subtropical high pressure belt deserts, and it is confined with the tropics. तो ये कहाँ पर है? Tropical region में. Yes. And tropical savanna regions of the world. I said that Africa may best developed in Sudan, where the dry and wet seasons are the most distinct, hence the name is Sudan type of climate. The dry and wet season is the most distinct, like हमारे यहाँ एक dry season अलग होता है, एक wet season अलग होता है, इनका एक dry and wet season it is in a savanna का आप देखोगे कि दोनों के बीच में lie करता है. I said that the belt includes Western African Sudan and curves southward in the East Africa and then Southern Africa, north of Tropic of Capricorn. So it lies between what? Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn in Africa. Understood? And देखा होगा आपने ये belt थोड़ा सा turn southward. So it lies in between. And South America may if you come and see in the what I said that in the Venezuela, Llanos, you know that, and little bit part of Brasilia, tropical grassland, and South America there is a Campos lion ने Campa cola पी रहा है, याद हो आपको? I said that these are the two, or what is a tropical grassland again, and this tropical grassland, it means what I said, that savanna. Australia में देखेंगे, it is again the Australian savanna is located in the south of the monsoon strip running from the west to east and Tropic of Capricorn and desert on the other side. I said that it lies between, I said that one side it is, and I said that desert is this side and Tropic of Capricorn, and there is a monsoonal rainfall in the Australia and tropical rainfall in the Australia. It lies between tropical rainfall in Australia, it lies between, yes, tropical rainfall in Australia and thereafter north of Tropic of Capricorn. Understood? So the famous name of what are the famous name in South Africa for the savanna? Llanos and Campos. Next one, I said that the latitudinal belt which has its climatic comes under the subtropical high pressure zone for the part of the year. इसका मतलब कि इस रीजन में कुछ समय के लिए क्या आएगा आपका? In this zones for a period there will be, what I said that for a period in this zone, I said that for a period, I said that subtropical high pressure belt is there. This subtropical high pressure belt, when the sun will go into south, the subtropical high pressure belt will come for a part of a year. Then again subtropical high pressure belt go over there, and the subtropical high pressure belt go like this. Yes or not? So for the part of a year, it will come under the subtropical high pressure belt. तो वहाँ पे rainfall क्या हो जाएगा? Reduced. Yes or not? And that is the time when it will be subtropical high pressure belt will come in this region. This is the time when the sun has gone into the what? South. It means there will be in a winter, the subtropical high pressure belt. And in this zone, if I said that, and again thereafter, when it is going over there, subtropical high pressure belt, and here, then the equatorial low pressure belt, which one is there? ITCZ. So ITCZ will be also able to come for a given part of a year. So in this region, which are the equatorial low pressure belt पे क्या है? Intertropical convergence zone. Equatorial low pressure belt is not shifting, but who is shifting? It is an ITCZ where the intertropical convergence zone, so it is in a shifting over there. So subtropical high pressure belt आएगा तो there will be no rainfall, but when there will be, I said that ITCZ will come, then there will be, what is the rainfall. So when subtropical high pressure belt होगा तो then there will be very less rainfall. Rainfall होगा but it will be very less. Characterized by rainy season कैसा होगा? Hot rainy season and cool dry season. Subtropical high pressure जब यहाँ पर आ रहा था तो उस समय क्या था? Just tell me. बोला था ना, when it is going down, that time winter. So it will be cool dry season. Yes. And then I said that जब it was coming into the northern hemisphere, then hot summer समय में थोड़ा सा इसका rainfall होगा when the ITCZ goes. If it is only for the which hemisphere? Northern hemisphere. So I said that characterized by hot rainy season and cool dry season in the northern hemisphere. But in the southern hemisphere में भी ऐसा ही होगा, लेकिन period of month will be changed. So what is the character of this savanna? What is the character of this savanna? For a part of year there will be what? Subtropical high pressure belt, and for the part of year there will be what? ITCZ. It means the rainfall will be hot. That will be rainy season will be hot and dry, and then cool dry season. Yes or not? Hot rainy season it will be there. Summers are hot with the temperature around 32 degrees Celsius. Why? The reason is what? थोड़ा सा rainfall होगा and the temperature will be around 32. Understood? It is not tropical kind of monsoonal जहाँ पे आप लोगों ने देखा कि 45 degree it is able to reach. I said that. World में highest temperature कहाँ पे है? Tropical regions में. I said that 32 degrees Celsius, and winters are cooler, that is around 21 degrees Celsius. So the temperature range कितना होगा? 11 degrees Celsius. और monsoon में हम लोगों ने temperature range कितना देखा था? Annual? It can be 23, it can be 11. 23 to 11 it ways. So the very high annual range of temperature in the monsoon, but there will be a comparatively less annual range of temperature in which I said that savanna. और इससे भी कम किस में है? Equator पे. Equator पे what is the annual range of temperature? It is 3 degrees Celsius. How much it is? 3 degrees Celsius. Rain mainly of convectional type. यहाँ पे rain कैसा होगा? Heating है, जो भी है, तो यहाँ पे कैसा रहेगा? ITCZ जो आ रहा है, तो यहाँ पे wind are converging, and then what it is in a going upward. So it is in a considered as a which rainfall? Convectional rainfall. Understood? 3 types of rainfalls are there: orographic, convectional and cyclonic. Cyclonic तो यहाँ पे है ही नहीं, so which rainfall will be there? Yes, tell me. Convectional rainfall. And I said that and I said that summer and winters are usually rain will be in the summer, winters are usually dry. Offshore northeast trade winds blow from Sahara Desert. Offshore northeast trade wind blow from Sahara Desert. If we see that, if it is in a, I said that यहाँ subtropical high pressure belt है in the southern, in the what is in Africa, and यहाँ से I said that which trade wind it is moving? So it will moving away from the coast slowly, offshore. Which one I said that? Northeast trade wind. And when this trade wind are moving offshore, then what will happen if it is moving offshore? It is coming from very dry season. और इस रीजन में थोड़ा सा क्या होगा? कोस्टल रीजन विल बी मोर ऑफ ह्यूमिड, और ये नियर टू द इक्वेटर है, सो इट इज इन अ मोर ऑफ ह्यूमिड, मोर ऑफ नियर टू द इक्वेटर दिस रीजन. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? मोर ह्यूमस. बट व्हेन दिस विंड इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द नॉर्थ ईस्ट ट्रेड विंड कमिंग फ्रॉम दिस रीजन ऑफ दिस, सो व्हाट हैपेंड, द लोगों को थोड़ा सा क्या फील होता है? इट लाइज बिटवीन इक्वेटर एंड डेजर्ट. आई सेड दैट, यस और नॉट? So when it is coming, then this coastal region will have full of humidity, and near to the equator थोड़ा सा और humidity है, then it can be led to the what is in a different kind of diseases. But when this wind will come from the desert, it will be hot and it will be no moisture, dry. और जैसे ही यहाँ से गुजरेगा, they will remove all the what I said that moisture, and it will help in making them what is in a free from moisture and humidity, and therefore this wind is known as doctor wind, and it means Harmattan. What I said that? Harmattan. So I said that they blow from Sahara Desert and reach West Africa, and as a hot, dry, hot dust-laden wind, locally called the Harmattan, meaning doctor. The onshore trade wind blow from the sea, bring to the coastal onshore region of Africa and South America. And then I said that if you see in the Africa and South America, यहाँ पर आपको क्या मिलेगा? I said that shifting के समय में, that is not necessary. I said that when it will shift, when then if this equatorial region will come over there, तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा? If it ITCZ will come over here, तो यहाँ पर क्या दिखेगा? इक्वेटर से क्रॉस करते हुए some will be able to gain Africa. There will be some, I said that onshore trade wind. लेकिन it is not important as per your examination point of view. तो यहाँ पर क्या होता है? जब कोस्ट की ओर आए तो there will be rainfall. तो rainfall कब होता है? When the ITCZ and the summer time में, and it is causing, क्योंकि ये तो रेनफॉल करेगा नहीं, एंड एट द सेम टाइम हाई ट्रॉपिकल प्रेशर, तो ये थोड़ा सा इसी समय आपको क्या दिखेगा? समटाइम्स यू विल बी एबल टू सी सम रेनफॉल ड्यूरिंग द व्हाट इज ना ऑनशोर ट्रेड विंड. बट द इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट इन दिस वन कि कौन सा है? डॉक्टर हर्मट्टन. गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? एंड देन एनुअल रेनफॉल इज अराउंड हाउ मच इट इज? 76 सेंटीमीटर. मीन्स आप लोग कह सकते हो कि आई सेड दैट 35 to 75 centimeter. Annual rainfall is often 76 centimeter, but it may be more, it may be less also for region near to equatorial latitude or less near to the hot deserts. So 76 कहाँ पे होगा? 75 near to the equatorial region जहाँ पर रहेगा, and then towards the desert side how much it is? 35 centimeters. So how much rainfall it is lying? 35 to 75 सेंटीमीटर. अंडरस्टूड? यहाँ पे ट्रीज बहुत होंगे या कम होगा? लेस होंगे. लेकिन जैसे जैसे इक्वेटर की ओर आएंगे, देयर विल बी व्हाट इज इन अ वुडलैंड, एंड एज विल गो फ्रॉम द इक्वेटर टुवर्ड्स व्हाट इज इन अ डेजर्ट एरिया साइड, सवाना, then it will be what is in a scrubs and all, it will started coming, and then highest temperature occur just before the rainy season. Yes or not? आपको ही पता है कि ये रीजन क्या है? ट्रॉपिकल रीजन है, तो हाईएस्ट टेम्परेचर कब होगा? रेन सीजन 32 डिग्री के आसपास ले आता है, और वहीं पर रेनी सीजन से पहले ही जस्ट थोड़ा सा इसको हाईएस्ट टेम्परेचर मिलता है अराउंड 32 डिग्री सेल्सियस. अंडरस्टूड इट? क्लियर? सो बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम देयर विल बी अ नियर बाई सब ट्रॉपिकल हाई प्रेशर बेल्ट, एंड देयर विल बी हीटिंग विल बी देयर. अंडरस्टूड? यहाँ पर आपको क्या रहेगा? सब ट्रॉपिकल हाई प्रेशर बेल्ट, एंड सन विल बी ओवर हियर, और थोड़ी सी हीटिंग यहाँ पर रहेगी. अंडरस्टूड? क्योंकि जस्ट सन यहाँ पर जैसे सन इधर आने लग जाएगा, तो देन द ITCZ जब यहाँ आ गया, इट मीन्स दे स्टार्टेड ट्रेड विंड्स स्टार्टेड व्हाट क्रॉसिंग द इक्वेटर एंड स्टार्टेड गिविंग द रेनफॉल. तब रेनफॉल जैसे ही होगा, तब ठंडा हो जाएगा, इट विल बी लिटिल कोल्डर। तो हमेशा ही रेनफॉल क्या होता है, जस्ट बिफोर द रेनी सीजन। और वैसे भी यहाँ का ड्राई सीजन कब है, विंटर में, तो एट दैट टाइम देयर विल बी नो, आई सेड दैट, हॉट season. Yes or not? It will be cool. So it will be highest temperature will be just before the what? Rainy season. Understood? And that is the similar way it is. And I said that that is April month in the northern hemisphere. क्योंकि मई के आसपास यहाँ पर होना है. तो and then I said October in the southern hemisphere. Understood? Humidity is very high in the summer. I said that vegetation हम लोग देखें तो एक हमारा सवाना वुडलैंड, which are the woodland I said that, ये किधर होगा, just tell me, near equator. Another I said that savanna parkland और bushland थोड़ा सा इक्वेटर से दूर हो गए, सवाना पार्कलैंड और बुशवेल्ड, और थोड़ा दूर हो गए there will be scrub savanna, that is I said that succulent. I said that, which are I said that, first I said savanna woodland, thereafter savanna parkland. मतलब हम लोग इक्वेटर से दूर होते जा रहे हैं. If you start getting what is ना, यहाँ पे मुझे क्या मिलेगा, in this region we'll have some good amount of trees, savanna woodland, then after I said that क्या मिलेगा, सवाना पार्कलैंड मीन्स सवाना बुशलैंड, and thereafter we'll see scrub land. Understood? Which one I said that? Scrub land, savanna scrub land, and that is known as what? Succulent. चलिए देखें हम लोग. On the equatorward side of the savanna regions, जहाँ पर आप जो समर में रेनफॉल देखते हैं, it is only for how many months? 3 months. And there are savanna